Ningbo Sunshinelux, a professional LED outdoor lighting manufacturer, was founded in 2012, located in Ningbo. We are focusing on the design and research and development in the field of rechargeable work light, floodlight, high bay LED lights, solar floodlight, solar street light, LED street light. And it has built a good reputation at home and abroad, with top quality products, advanced lighting solution, and cheerful after-sales service. Covers an area of 5,000 square meters. Equipped with over 60 to 100 frontline employees, and 4 to 5 qualified engineers. Sunshinelux is growing up very fast. 6 to 10 outstanding staff serve quality department, forming a high-level quality system, which provides us a favorable development environment. Professional and advanced production equipment has greatly improved production efficiency. Sunshinelux has a daily production capacity of more than 10,000 sets of LED lights, and a daily aging test capacity of 10,000 sets. Meanwhile, Sunshinelux is committed to providing high quality and high performance LED products and solutions to all customers. Sunshinelux pursues quality and innovation, and in line with the tenet of integrity, cooperation and customer first, serving trading partners around the world, and domestic high-quality lighting dealers. Each LED product has passed the full reliability test and optoelectronic test before the lamps are shipped, ensuring a low failure rate. We have committed to improving ourselves, paying more attention to customer demand, focusing on making people's life more safe and comfortable, enabling them to enjoy new technology and efficient use of resources. Our own skilled workers, professional overseas sales, and strict QC personnel will help you win more and more market share. After more than 10 years of development, Sunshinelux has become the top leading LED outdoor lights manufacturer. Sunshinelux has established a relatively new and high price advantage in the industry, products as a domestic market reputation, and overseas markets in Europe, South America, Middle East, South Africa, North America, Southeast Asia and other countries. Sunshinelux has its own patents and passed the ISO quality, as well as certifications of TUV-CE, CBSA, ROSE and new ERP. Welcome all friends aboard to achieve double winning with us.